Hello, I'm come back. I'm so happy. I hope you too. And today I want training your hips, yes, with squat position. Also, it will be exercise for beginners, middle pupil, and also at advanced level. So first of all, I want to show you which position we want to do, and after that we continue with our training. So we will do squat position. Yes, so please. And which exercise we need do for this position we also right now will do. So let's go. First of all, we'll be warming up. Yes, we go to the butterfly position. Yes, keep our legs, yes, with our hands straight, please. Your back also. Inhale. Gently exhale. And right now we will fly. Yes, so we will be up our legs and down. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And also we can gently press one by one legs for straight your hips. So also don't forget about your breathing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, please change. So inhale and also exhale and gently press. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, cool. So if you're training with someone, we also can ask about help you for more straight. So we go inhale and exhale, go down, and also your partner will press. In this exercise you also will feel straight in your back and also in your back. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, gently go out from this position. Don't be rushed. Yes, and after that we can do wild position of our legs. The next exercise will be for our knees. It's also very important for our body if you want to go whole life, so training also your knees. So and go also open your breast, straight your back, and go. Try to put your knees to the floor. So inhale, go up, and exhale, go down. So let's go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and also 8. Okay, we also stop in this position. Yes, go a little bit straight. So put your hands to the floor, and right now we will put our breast to the floor and also feel straight in your hips for squat position. Also for inhale and exhale. So don't be rushed and do this so gently. 4, 6, 7, and 8. Stay in this position also. Please fix this position. Straight your hands. Inhale, exhale, and stay in this position a little bit. Also, if you have friend who trained with you, please ask him to press on you. So let's go. Inhale and exhale. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 9, and also 10. Okay. Also in this position, when your friend lie, you can up your leg and also straight. So how do you feel? Nothing or something? Okay, so it's very good position for your straight, and also we can inhale and exhale, and let's go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, gently go out from this position. Return the last position. Super. And also we can change, yes, our legs. Also, and please repeat the same exercise only for another leg. Also, don't forget about your breathing, please. Put your hands to the floor, straight your back, and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Also fix this position with straight back. Also straight your hands. Fix this position. Stay and breathe in and breathe out. Go. You know how you can. Okay, and also I will press for good result. So also, let's go. And let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, and the next will be with leg. Yes, gently press. And let's go. Breathe in. Inhale and exhale. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, super. So gently go out from this position. Yes, and also we can do wild position. It also will put your legs to the floor. It will be the last preparing exercise for squat. So put your legs and also inhale and exhale and try put your breast, yes, for the floor. So let's go. 1, 2, go up and down. And down. Okay, so 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and and 8. So straight your legs and fix this position. So feel your rest, feel your flexibility, and let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 9, and 10. And also don't forget about your front and press. Yes, help feel more flexy in your body. So let's go. Also we can straight a little more. Okay, so and let's go. Inhale and exhale. So good? Okay, so let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so I think we done a so cool exercise, preparing exercise, hitting exercise for squat position, and also we can do this position. So let's go. Sit down off your legs. Put your elbows to your knee. Also you can press much better with elbows. And also we can do this exercise. So we close and open. Let's go. Do this also gently. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Also straight your back, open your breast, so press elbows and stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Also, if you're advanced pupil and want more harder exercise, in this position we can put your knee to the floor. Yes, it's hard level, but you also can try it. Yes, so develop of your body, it's treasure your. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and also 8. Okay, a little bit rest. Also up, and also we have the second leg. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, super. And also gently put both your legs to the floor. So thank you so much, guys, for this training. I hope it will be so helpful for you, for your life, for your training. Also, if you have some comments about this training, also write me. I so interested about it. I read everything, and I'm so happy and also appreciate. So if you have interesting topic for my videos, also write about it. And so thank you so much, and see you soon. Bye bye.